Hi folks, it's Dan from Cloudsmith here. I'm going to spend a couple of minutes showing you how easy it is to get a Dart private repository up and running in Cloudsmith and how you can share Dart packages with the right people and only the right people. Cloudsmith is currently the only solution on the market that enables you to control the provenance, security and distribution of your Dart packages. And as we are a cloud native platform, you can do that for your teams across the globe while we handle availability and scalability for you. Now I've got that out of the way. Let's take a look at how this works and how quickly you can build a repository and store and share Dart packages. I've logged into my existing Cloudsmith account and I'm going to create a new repository, which is just a case of hitting this button here. That's it. Now we give our repository a name and a short description. And while I'm doing that, I'll remind you that Cloudsmith repositories are multi-format, so we can upload our Docker images or our Python packages or any of the other 18 package formats we support right alongside our Dart packages. They're all handled the same way. By default, the repository type is private, and we click Create. As you can see, I now have a new empty repository, just like that. And I can simply upload any relevant Dart packages by clicking Upload, choosing Package Format Dart, and then using the file browser to select our Dart package and uploading it to the repository. When the package is uploaded, the synchronization process begins. This is where we process the package and make it available for download. When synchronization is complete, we can view the associated metadata, such as the package name, the version, the type, and the author, which of course is going to be vitally important information for any third parties using this package. We can also view the files that are within the package, and in addition, we provide installation instructions for the package. Specifically, our repos provide you the configuration ready to copy and paste right into your pub spec file, meaning you don't have to go off and find out the terms, the format, the syntax, and type it all in for yourself. At this point, I'm going to delete this package because I want to demonstrate how we, or more importantly, some machine we can control, can push this package to the repository using the Cloudsmith command line. If we switch to the command line, we can use the simple Cloudsmith list packages command to show the contents of the repository. And as expected, because I just deleted the sole package in there, in this case, this repository is now empty. But not for long, because I can just use the Cloudsmith push command to push our Dart package to the repository. Behind the scenes, the Cloudsmith command line uses the Cloudsmith API. And of course, you can also use the Cloudsmith API to integrate with whichever pipeline or workflow you need. Our package is now being pushed and has started to synchronize again. This happens quickly, so if we list the contents of the repository, we can see that our package has been uploaded. Of course, we can handle access to this repository in terms of users and teams, but we can also share this package with individuals and machines outside of those who have access, while keeping the repository private. Let's look how we do that. I'm going to return to our repository and retrieve what we call an entitlement token. We define this as a private repository, which as you can guess means access is controlled. So we will need this entitlement token to share it outside those who already have access. To do this, we place the token in our pub spec file as part of the URL for the package. This will allow pub, Dart's native package manager, to retrieve the dependency. In my sample Dart project, I have a pub spec file. This pub spec file defines one dependency for this project. The name of the project is Dart Demo, and the dependency is the Cloudsmith Dart example. In other words, the package I just uploaded to Cloudsmith. You can see the URL where the package is hosted. All we need to do is place our entitlement token into this URL, and if we were to share this completed URL with someone, they too would be able to access the package. We of course have the ability to restrict or revoke the token at any time using entitlement token settings in the repository. We paste in our entitlement token and we save the file. Now the third party can use Dart's native package manager, pub, to retrieve this dependency. Pub has now retrieved the dependency. If we now go and look in the pub cache, we can see that the dependency has been downloaded. It just works. And again, if we carry on to open the source file in the dependency, we can view its contents. Hopefully that demonstrates how easy it is to store and share Dart packages in a private repository using Cloudsmith. If you're not already a customer, it's easy and free to get started. All you need to do is visit cloudsmith.com and sign up from there. Talk again soon. And remember, be awesome, automate everything.